Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest in Fidelity Blue Chip Growth. If you're looking to grow your investments over time, this fund can be an excellent option. In this video, we will walk through the steps of investing in this specific fund with Fidelity. First, you'll need to create an account with Fidelity if you don't already have one. Head over to their website and click on Open an Account. Follow the prompts to fill out your personal information, including your social security number, employment details, and financial background. Once your account is set up and verified, you can fund it using your bank account. Next, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the Funds section. Use the search bar to find the Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Fund. Once you locate the fund, take a moment to review its performance, fees, and investment strategies. You'll want to ensure that it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. When you're ready, you can place your order. Choose the amount you want to invest and decide whether to make a one-time investment or set up a recurring investment. Review your choices and confirm your order. After that, you can monitor your investment through your Fidelity dashboard, where you'll have access to performance updates and account management tools. Happy investing!